My name is Rachel Roberts. I'm the owner of the Bryn Tyrch Hotel along with my husband. It is a 12-bedroom hotel. It's gone from a 0 to a 4-star in the last 7 years. I came back into the business in order to put it back on its feet. We've changed the model, so we've gone from being sort of cheap food to locally produced, sourced food, fresh ingredients, simply cooked. We also source all our beers locally where we can and local ales. A big aspect of our business was actually to support the local community from which we earn our living. So bearing in this mind, we launched a new product this year called the Lamb Oggy, which is a traditional meat pie that's based from this area and was used from the coal mines. We use the local lamb from local farmers, local ingredients, and it's actually been one of our most popular aspects this year. We also really wanted to develop our cocktail menu this year. So after a showcase visit, we actually sourced some Aberfour's gin, and we've got 3 or 4 really exciting new cocktails based on local gins, also the traditional espresso martinis, and looking at some local vodka that we're trying to source now. When I took over the business 10 years ago, we made a deliberate policy of actually trying to widen our market and appeal, and we definitely used local products as a way to bring the community back in. We were totally based on climbing and walking market, and that actually made us very vulnerable. And actually what we did is, by appealing more to our local market, we've actually built up a really local clientele that actually helped us through the first recession. As a commercial director, one of the major concerns we had was about increasing our costs if we went to produce locally and source locally. And we've actually found that's actually not the case. In some cases, like butter, we can actually buy cheaper than we can if we're buying national butter, and actually the quality is better. Also, as we live in the most beautiful area, we wanted to make sure that we're in line with our eco policy, and that's actually reduced our air miles that we actually impact on the business.